The question of whether we are alone in the universe has puzzled mankind for hundreds of years. But having uncovered new scientific research both on Earth and on other planets throughout the universe, are we now at a point that for the first time we may know not only where to look for alien life, but also what it may look like?
Life can basically colonize every kind of extreme environment we can think of. And that's hugely exciting for exploring life on other planets.
We're finding just incredible things that we never would have thought of before. So,
you kind of just name your environment really and something will be living there.
If there were similar civilizations to ours within, let's say, a few hundred light years, I'm sure we would be able to detect them within the next century.
There are many new discoveries being made every day about the origins of life on our planet. And through those discoveries, astrobiologists are able to deduce what life might be like elsewhere in the universe. But before we can understand about alien life, we just need to understand about life itself.
I mean, there's no reason why an origin of life couldn't occur over a weekend or even a day. I mean, once something replicates, it replicates. I mean, from that point on, you've got a Darwinian process of selection of molecules that can replicate, and ones that replicate faster will tend to dominate and then go on and replicate further.
There are about four difficult steps between no life and intelligent life. It's possible that the steps, for example, could be the origin of life, the origin of photosynthesis, the origin of these complex cells, perhaps the origin of animals, or maybe the origin of intelligence itself.
These four steps are the basis for our journey into uncovering what life elsewhere in the universe might look like.
The likelihood is that if we find life certainly elsewhere in this solar system, but also thinking more widely, looking into planets around other solar systems and moons around those planets, the likelihood is it's probably going to be of a simple unicellular type.
I think it is wrong to think of any life as simple. I think these microorganisms that are often dismissed as simple, I mean actually they're far from simple.
Well, we're finding organisms at the centres of nuclear reactors, for example, where there are ridiculously high radiation levels.
The key thing from an astrobiology point of view is, as we've learned that life has adapted to this range of extreme environments, like pressure, temperature, radiation and so on, we can find places on other planets which also have this range of environments.
But if there is life out there, and if it is complex and even intelligent, then it will have to obey the same evolutionary rules that life on Earth has had to cope with. And that means that if we look at our own planet's evolution carefully enough, we can be surprisingly confident about what alien creatures, if they are out there, would look like.
Sense organs like tentacles or antennae, do you want to evolve a head?
It would probably exhibit some sort of aggressive tendencies.
For the first time, by using scientific data and research, we might finally be able to see what alien life may actually look like.